Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. Today is unboxing day. Yes, my box arrived yesterday, so this time I am not going to wait. I am going to open this box right away. So let's get going. I already have my scissors right here. Let's open this box. All right, let's see. Same box as before, and it's smushed. I can feel it already. Right here. It's all smushed right there. And today I already have my glasses hanging here, so I don't have to go pick them up and put them on my face every single time. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, take a look at this. It says, out of the blue. This is really pretty, really pretty. Out of the blue, wow. Okay. Subscription box number 30. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric and there are 2 colorways. Oh, interesting. So pretty soon I'll go into the ebook and check it out after I open this box. Okay, I'm hoping that the fabric is blue. You guys know I love blue. So yeah, this is really pretty. Now let's get into this. I don't want to look. I'm just feeling it here. Let's see what's, oh. This is really wrapped. What's this? Oh, rickrack. Some little rickrack. White rickrack. Huh, I've never used rickrack before, ever. So this is interesting. Little rickrack. One candy. I'll give it to my daughter. She will like that. I already touched the thread, but I don't want to look down to see the color. Okay. Designed exclusively for Beyond the Pink Door Maker's Project Pad. Oh my. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is nice. Really nice. They're all the same color, everything, all of them. And they're 50 sheets, is that what it said? Yeah, 50 sheets. Wow, this is really nice. Something to write on. Very cool. And I love this right here. It's blue, so I'm hoping that the fabric is blue. We'll see. Now let's see if there's anything else in here other than the, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. All right. This is almost a navy blue. Yeah. So if this is a little indication of the blue from the card, this is really nice, really nice. Blue, my favorite color. So I'm hoping that I think I'll be happy with this one. Okay, time to open. Nothing else in here, nothing else. Just rip this thing, oh. I just picked up the fabric and something fell. It was another piece of candy. And I went like this and I hit the tripod with the box. And the whole tripod moved that way. Oh my goodness. I'm such an amateur. All right, now let's get to the fabric. Oh my God, it's so soft. Wow. And it is blue. Okay, I'm gonna take this box out of my way. I don't want to hit the tripod. Oh, they're different colors. It's a, oh, wow. Look at this. It's a darker blue with the light blue. There's the little lighter here. There's some striping. This is interesting. Very, very pretty. So, so soft. And it's actually cold. Wow. So soft. I wonder, I don't know, this feels like a viscose. Could it be another viscose again? Could be. Let's open this. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My favorite color. I'm going to go and show it to my daughter and to my husband. Let's see if she's gonna like this one. I am back from showing this pretty fabric here to my daughter and to my husband. I also checked the ebook, and the two colorways, it says that there are two colorways, but they're actually two different fabrics. The one that I got, this is a viscose. It feels very, very nice, very soft. This one is a dead stock Zara viscose, and the material is 100% viscose. The other fabric is a dead stock Liberty Lagos Laguna Paisley cotton poplin. So that one is 100% cotton. So there are two blues from what I can see here, but one fabric is a viscose and the other one is a cotton poplin. And I'm glad that I got the viscose. Very nice, very, very soft. I'm gonna tell you what my husband told me. I showed him the fabric and I showed my daughter the fabric, and I open up like this, and he tells me, oh, that looks like a tablecloth. Because of the square, oh my goodness. Yeah, those were the words out of his mouth. It looks like a tablecloth. He's like, well, you can put it in the table. And I'm like, no, this is not for the table. This is way too soft to be a tablecloth. Oh my gosh. But I'm pretty much stumped at what I'm going to do this month with this fabric. The ebook does have all different things in there. Andrea did make a pretty dress, so I don't know if I'll go that route. I don't think I have enough fabric. 2.5 meters, I don't think is enough to make the dress that she made for me. She's petite lady, I am not, so I need more fabric to do something like that. So I don't know, I'll talk to my daughter about it. And she looked at me, she's like, ooh, I don't know what you're gonna make with that one. So yeah, we have to put our heads together and figure it out what I'm going to do with this pretty blue fabric here. I'm back with my finished garment. No, it is not this one here. This one was also from the Think Pink subscription box. I don't remember which number that box is. I'll put it down here in the bottom, but this is not the finished garment. The finished garment is a tiered skirt. This is so, so, so pretty. What can I say about this? It is amazing. This fabric, it is so, so soft and so drapey. I had to make a skirt out of it. For the tiered skirt, I used the Caprice skirt by Love Notions. I'll insert a little snippet of this pattern. I had purchased this pattern as soon as it came out that same week. I purchased the pattern because I wanted to do a tiered skirt. I do like skirts. I don't know why I don't have any tiered skirts. I used to wear them a long time ago, but all of a sudden I kind of threw them all out, or I donated them or something. I don't know. But I don't have any tiered skirts in my wardrobe, and I do like them a lot. So this one tiered skirt, again, it was the Caprice skirt by Love Notions. I cut the size extra large, and I did view, let's see which view this. I think this is view D. Yeah, this is view D. I'll put a little snippet in here, and it turned out amazing, amazing, amazing. What can I say? It's just the fabric had everything to do with it. I couldn't do any pattern matching or anything. There was no way to do any pattern matching with this. All I had to do was just lay down and cut it. So I cut this first top here as it was with the grain. Let's put it that way, with the grain. This top portion here and this middle tier right here. When it came to the bottom tier, I decided to cut against the grain. As you can see here, this little, is this like a little paisley? I don't know, this little thing right here. It looks like a little fish, actually. It's laying down, but here at the bottom tier, they're going up. Yeah, so I did cut the bottom tier cross grain, something that I have never done before, but since I wanted something different for this skirt, I decided to do that. I did not add any pockets. The pattern does call for pockets, but I did not add any pockets, and I'm gonna show you why. Since this fabric is blue and white, I was thinking that the white was gonna be a bit of the see-through sides, but yeah, I just wanted to be careful. So I decided to do a modesty panel. So this is what the skirt, I turned it inside out. So this is the modesty panel. It's like it's a two skirts in one. This one is, my AC just turned on, so yeah, I'm sure you can hear it. This skirt here is shorter, and I did have enough fabric to do that. As you can see here. So it's like double skirt. You can't see a thing with the skirt being this way. So I also added a little label here in the back, so I know which is back and which is front. What does it say? You can't buy this little label that I added right here. I'm sure you're not going to be able to see it, but I did add a little label. So that is why I did not add any pockets. And also adding pockets, I'm not going to put anything in the pockets. I'm not going to put my phone. Then it's going to pull it, because the phones, they're heavy. I'm not going to do that. So I used pretty much every little bit of the fabric, and I am extremely, extremely happy with the skirt and the fabric from the Think Pink subscription box number 30. Thank you, Andrea, for another great fabric. I can't stop touching this fabric. This fabric is so, so nice. So if you liked this video, please hit that like button below, and if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.